是
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rita.
I'm Jenny.
Today we're going to introduce you chicken tikka masala. The origin of this dish is quite disputed. Some say it was from India, others say it was from United Kingdom. Still others say it was from Pakistan. There's a commonly believed story about the dish. It is said a chef, he opened an Indian restaurant in United Kingdom. One day, a British man came to the restaurant and he ordered a dish called chicken tikka. After eating, he thought it was too dry and demanded a better dish. But the chef was really angry, so he didn't care about what he thought. So he just tossed the dish into a can of tomato soup, added some yogurt and sprinkled some spices on it. Then a new dish came into being and it was named chicken tikka masala.
And next I'm going to introduce the ingredients of chicken tikka masala. First, of course, the most important ingredient is chicken. And then is the masala sauce. What is masala? Masala is a kind of mixture of many different spices. And in order to make masala sauce, we need many tomatoes, and we still need some cream. Better is coconut cream or yogurt, and then we need onion and some salt and pepper to flavor it. And you can also add some chicken soup in it. And we still need some garlic and ginger and some other spices. And then how to make chicken tikka masala is quite easy. First of all, you need to prepare a frying pan and add some oil in it and heat the oil. And then add the chicken in it and fry the chicken until it's turned into yellow brown. And then remove the chicken to a plate. Then you can put the onion and the garlic in the pan and cook until they totally soaked. And then you can add other ingredients, all the other ingredients in the pan, like the chicken soup and the uh, and salt and pepper, and the other ingredients you can all put it in the pan. And then you can add the chicken in the pan and reduce the heat to a simmer. And you can simmer the chicken tikka masala for about 15 minutes. And then you can enjoy your chicken tikka masala with some white rice if you like.
Actually, in 2001, chicken tikka masala was declared to be British national dish. It is served widely in India, and it looks very much like curry. Its sauce is creamy and orange color. Because of its popularity, it is also served in restaurants all over the world, of course, including America. And this is our introduction. Thanks for listening.